If you're looking to get a quick release mount for your Insta360 X4 Air or your X5 360 camera, there's quite a few choices out there, but some of them work quite a bit better than others. You've got the standard type quick release mount like this, that's the clip-on to the prongs on the bottom of the camera here. This is like the ones Insta360 makes. They tend to be a little bit quicker than some of the other mounts to place in here, but you have to make sure they're on really good. But the biggest problem with these and most of the others that clip on this way, they tend to rattle. So I don't know if you can hear this, but that rattle when it's shaken back and forth on the stick picks up in the camera, and you can hear it, and it becomes a little aggravating, and it's a bit disconcerting. No matter which one of these I've tried, they always have a little bit of movement to them. Some of the other mounts out there that you can use are like these Falcam mounts, which tend to be much quieter and lock on more securely. With these also, you tend to have to make sure you've got them in tight. The one that comes with the F22, which is the smaller mount, these work really well, but you screw them in with the screw on the bottom, and they tighten down, but they can come loose with time. So if they rattle around a little bit, they can back off. And once they slip just a little bit, you lose all connection, and they can easily spin off of here and fall off on them. But I found this is the best and the quietest of the mounts. So they make another one specifically with little prongs in it that'll keep it from coming undone. So you can buy the Falcam F22 and use this mount for another device, but buy the specific one that's made to work with the X4 Air or the X5. It'll work with either one of these, but it actually goes into these little prongs. It has replaceable rubber pieces on here. It comes with an extra set of them. With this plate, you just sort of press it in and get it lined up with these little rubber teeth on here. Then tighten it down all the way, and it won't come loose like the others do. Having those extra little teeth in there will keep this from spinning off, so it allows you to tighten it all the way. It locks down tight and won't, with vibration, it can't spin off. Having these rubber inserts in here will keep it from turning around. And then you just use it like the regular quick release, slide it in, make sure it's locked into place. And with these, when you shake them, you don't get that rattle. It's a lot more secure from side to side with it. So with these other type of mounts, they tend to get a little bit of rattle in between this clip. With this one, you don't get that side to side movement. It's really tight on here. So if I hold it up and shake it to the microphone, you don't hear anything with it when I'm shaking it. It's more secure, no side to side wobble. And the best thing is it's rounded off with the shape of the camera, so it doesn't show up in your 360 footage at all. It's real small and minimal compared to these, and you don't see any edges on it or have to edit it out in later on. So it's hidden more. It's much quieter. You don't have the sound vibration, and you don't have to worry about it unspinning and coming loose and losing your camera with it. So the mount tend to run a few dollars more than these, but not much more. And it's just cheap security and makes for just a better product of being quiet, and you don't have that extra noise in your videos and the audio recording. So I'll put links below to these, but it's the F22, and it's the specific mount made for the X4 Air or the X5. It'll work with either one of them depending on the camera it had. But after testing the 360 one, this aftermarket one, and a few others, nothing quite compares to these as far as the security and how quiet they stay. So it's really hard to beat for the money. So like I say, I put the links to the product in the description below, and if this helps you at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.